Hey guys, it's Emily here. We had a little problem, but we're not gonna worry about that. We're gonna go ahead again. So today I'm gonna be opening Squishy Activity Set. So let's get started. It might be a little opened, but it's okay. Okay, so it's gonna be on here, so I'm gonna surprise you by the goo. First, we have a ice cream pen, some markers, some little stickers. They're like 3D almost. You know, like the ones you can feel. And there's like some normal shiny stickers. And then there's the book. It has like what's your birthday, favorite dessert, on favorite movie, and then it has a little cupcake thing. 8 a.m. They have a couple plan out your days. So, sing in front of which friend would, like a sing in front of people, travel the world, help an animal shelter, be in a school play, win a spelling bee, and then it's write about your note, write a secret note about your crush, add photos. It's like a little memory journal when you get older. It has a little squishy on it, and yeah. So overall, this is so kind of short, but yeah, we're gonna fill out one, plan out your day. How is it? 2 o'clock, perfect, okay. That's another day actually, because I wanna save it. But like, yeah, it's like, let me see if there's any new ones. Talk about your friends. Would love to travel to, decorate your dessert with favorite toppings, list of top favorite sweets, pick one of these as stars, right? Like, tomorrow I will, it's like little notes. You know. Like, am I part of your day below? It's like different stuff. It's not like the same pages, multiple pages like the other ones. It's like best friend quiz. But how much do you have in common? My answer's favorite ice cream, favorite cupcake, favorite topping. Basically, you would write down this page, like my favorite ice cream, your favorite cupcake, you know, that. Yeah. So, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, even though it's a little short. So, bye.